Yeah, so welcome back, guys. Since you saw the services, we explained everything. You see, the time is ticking, it's moving, we're waiting for you. Here's the price list. You can call us on 069. Let me see the number. Okay, let me give the email. It's foreignaffairs@gmail.com. Then the number is 069 3030734. And then how do you get here? There's taxis from Para. Mose Para matalitha taxi e penalty ne. It's Shawela. Okay. Mose Para go fini taxi ethi Shawela. Uyehle maybe ubatshela ukuthi uyehle Moroka police station or because if I give you the other directions you'll get lost. Then you can DM us once you're on the way or something. We'll meet you halfway. Mo phuma eBridge just see taxi Rockville. Then uzoyehla ku Dibaba. Where else mo phuma Protea uthatha taxi ePara. Uzoyehla la vele Moroka police station. So yeah, but then ama-taxi, if uthatha i-taxi, just take taxis uyehle maybe eMoroka police station or uyehle la kuDibaba. And then if uthatha i-bus Rea Vaya uzoyehle eThokoza Park, because I think these feeder buses they stop them for a bit like now. And then what else? Yeah, I think that's all. Uber will give you the address. The address is, but please don't just come without booking. So the address is there, but then please book first because we don't want you to come here and someone or like we. Let's say you come here, you want mentorship and be busy maybe with the studio session. Now it's loud, you see, you can't concentrate and things like that. So that's what I'm saying. Even the membership people for the workstations, they'll be briefed with that and they'll be prepared. That's why I say they'll have earphones and things like that. And then yeah, so far this is it, guys. So made videos for you. And then please check out the page, Dollar Dates. We drop an episode of this daily. If you wanna come through, you can come through with your stuff. No smoking, but there's a smoking area just opposite the office. It's just go outside. Then let me show you the smoking area when you come. You can support our vapes, Rizzlers. Kimang Maho, Harry. Here's the here's the smoking area. My border. Yes, smoking area. But you see when you come, we'll make sure it looks the one. So please subscribe. Tell us what videos you'd like us to make. Pull through. We'd like to see you book. And then let's spend the day. When you probably make a session or booking, we'll probably maybe make an episode. And then, I don't know, we'll speak if you want to. If you don't want us to make an episode, we'll keep it private. Keep it locked in, guys.